Alright, so these are our good items and these are our bad items. And here is our fridge. So we open the fridge by clicking space. And now we're going to put only good items in. So I hold it down, put cheese in, wait for an apple, put that in, tap to get the milk, hold it in, and put it in. And now we reset. Now we're gonna put a normal-ish outcome. So we open the fridge, and then we put 2 good items in. And then it's your face. And then we put a bad item in. And that's fine.
And that's the meh outcome.
That's the meh outcome. So then we're gonna do the bad outcomes. Open the fridge, hold, put in lava, hold to put in an arm, and we can put in a cheese. As long as it's majority bad, it's the last item. Reset. Oh. We put in the bomb, put in an arm, and then put in the lava. And then the last outcome